Instagram, Rick here for Futures Trading Coach. Here's the trades for Thursday, December 7th. We had an S&P long 2250 right here. Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach after market update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Wednesday, May 16th. I'm going to run through everything that we had here from left to right. Had a trade in crude. Again, these are in no particular time order. 71.22. That was a power play long. Made a little bit. There was like the tail end of news. So I said, if it doesn't follow through, if they can't get positive and stay positive, which they tried to right up here, it was going to be a problem. But the trade made 10, 12, 13 ticks, 14 ticks. So a little bit of profit there on that. ES, we had a bonus trade short, and that was at the 27.16. And that trade made it down for a couple points. I told everybody that they needed to get lower to 13 quarter, otherwise it was going to bounce around there. Trade made a couple points, to take most of your contracts or all your contracts off from there, and we're getting into a little bit of a problem area, so they might try one more time to push down, and then we're going to have to see. Which is exactly what happened. They tried to push down and then they couldn't hold it. We had a big level at 12, and that was that. And then on the NASDAQ, we had a couple nice trades. In the NASDAQ, we had a power play long on the NASDAQ, hit it the first time, 775. Trade made the minimum, made about 12, to 15 ticks. Some people were in from 7 quarter. And no follow through. Came back down, came up again, said hit it again right here. You'll see we had a first end target here, which we thought it would kind of consolidate around, which it did in here. Once it got up above there and held above, in this circle or above the circle, as you see right over here, it was off to the races to the next target. So some people held that, some people couldn't hold it, so I offered another entry. So the power play, first one, made 12 ticks or a break even. Second one, made about 50, 60 ticks initially, and then it eventually went up from 775 up to our ultimate area there, which was 32.75, 33. And that was, over 100 ticks. For those who were out of that, I did offer an understanding trade to get in at 25 quarter, made up to 40 ticks. On this candle right here, got in there. And then when it got up here, I said we had a material change in the marketplace. There wasn't that many people that were still in at that point. So we got short. 34, 35 area right up here in the middle of the candle on a death candle trade. And you'll see that one went all the way down from 35 all the way down almost 30 points, well over 100 ticks. And then we had an add-on option or a new entry for those who got out here, who took smaller profits. We had that same short here in the ES. I said you can take it in the ES or the NASDAQ, either as an add-on or a new entry. And again, that made 25 plus ticks from that spot. So just great day today as usual. Same stuff. We're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. And until then, everybody, I want you to have a wonderful day. See you, traders.